Most people in America buy a brand new car and pray it lasts 5 years. But in reality, you're just buying a $50,000 ticking time bomb that's designed to explode the moment your warranty ends. Whether you're battling snowy New York winters or the Texas heat, why do 99% of drivers keep falling into the trap of disposable cars? What if you could buy one vehicle today that is so over-engineered, American mechanics actually call it the shop killer because it never breaks? Most Americans spend thousands on repairs just to keep their SUVs from falling apart before the bank loan is even paid off. It's a cycle of stress, wasted money, and regret. But today, I'm showing you the 9 SUVs that defy the laws of modern manufacturing. These are the machines that refuse to die, even after 300,000 miles on US highways. One of these is a budget-friendly SUV popular in Pakistan and India that the US market is finally starting to respect, because it can outlast a brand new $100,000 Mercedes. If you want to stop wasting your hard-earned dollars, you need to watch until the very end. We aren't just talking about cars, we're talking about smart financial freedom. Especially for the HAG 1 spot, on US soil, it's not just a car, it's an insurance policy for your life and your wallet. Number 9. The disguised tank. Toyota 4Runner-lets start with a legend you see on every street, from the deserts of the Middle East to the highways of the USA. If you sit inside one, you might be disappointed. The buttons are huge, the screen is small, and the tech feels like it's from 2010. But that is exactly why it's on this list. Complexity is the enemy of reliability. While modern European SUVs use tiny 2.0-liter engines with twin turbos under massive pressure, Toyota stuck with a massive, understressed 4.0L V6. It's built on a truck frame. It's heavy, it's thirsty for fuel, but it will never ever leave you stranded on a dark highway. Number 8. The luxury cheat code. Lexus GX 460. I want reliability, but I also want American dream luxury. Usually, luxury SUV means expensive repair bills. But then there's the Lexus GX 460. Think of it as a 4Runner that went to Harvard. It's essentially a Land Cruiser Prado underneath, but with a silky smooth V8 engine designed for industrial durability. Most people buy a used BMW X5 to look rich, then go broke fixing it. The smart money buys a GX. You get status and comfort with the maintenance cost of a simple lawnmower. Number 7. The budget hero. Honda CR-V 2nd and 3rd Gen. For budget buyers, whether you're a student in Chicago or a family man in Lahore, this is your gold mine. These are the immortal beaters. The secret is the K-Series engine, one of the best 4-cylinder engines ever built. I've seen these treated with absolute disrespect, forgotten oil changes, monsoon floods, 100-degree summers, and they just keep ticking. If you find a clean one with 120,000 miles, buy it. You'll still be driving it when modern cars are in the junkyard. Number 6. The USA Highway King. Chevy Suburban/Tahoe for families that need to haul 8 people and a boat. There is no substitute. But you must pick the ones with the 5.3L or 6.0 Vortec V8. There's a reason the Secret Service and police fleets use these. Don't worry about a creaking plastic dashboard, that's just character. The heart of this beast is built like a freight train. There are thousands of these in the USA with over 400,000 miles. It's a 3-ton living room that refuses to die. Number 5. The Adventure Box, Honda Element designed specifically for the US market. It looks like a toaster. People laughed at first, but now they are cult classics. The interior has no carpet, it's all rubber so you can wash out the mud. It uses the Car-V's bulletproof drivetrain, but with a reinforced frame. It's the ultimate buy-it-once car, because it's a camper, a dog hauler, and a daily driver in one. Owners never want to let them go. Number 4. The 1 million-mile engine Toyota Sequoia. The Sequoia is the emperor of American roads. It shares its V8 with the Tundra, the truck that famously hit 1 million miles in Louisiana. Why do people buy a new Ford with screens that go black? Because they want new. But the smart American buys a Sequoia for zero stress. Yes, it's huge. Yes, it loves gas. But the money you save on repairs will pay for your gas for the next 20 years. Number 3. The American Icon. Jeep Wrangler 4.0L era. Warning, not all Jeeps are reliable. But if you find a Wrangler 1997, 2006 with the 4.0-liter inline-six, you've found indestructible American iron. That engine wasn't designed by a computer, it was perfected over 40 years. It's heavy cast iron. You can fix it in your driveway with basic tools. It's a hobby that stays on the road. Number 2. The import underdog. Mitsubishi Montero Terra. In the USA, people forget Mitsubishi, but in Pakistan and the UK, the Pajero is a symbol of toughness. It won the Dakar Rally 12 times. While modern US SUVs are unibody, built like R, the Montero is a body-on-frame beast built for rocks and sand. If you want Land Cruiser reliability without the Toyota tax, this is the best-kept secret in the US. Number 1. The undisputed king. Toyota Land Cruiser, the gold standard. Toyota engineers designed this with a 25-year service life in mind. While other brands want you to trade every 3 years, Toyota built this for your grandkids. In parts of the world where a breakdown means you die, people only drive Land Cruisers. Every bolt is thicker. The cooling system is oversized. Buying a Land Cruiser is the most expensive way to save money. You pay up front, but you never buy another car again. The US economy wants you in debt. Dealerships want you in a new lease every 3 years. Don't fall for the trap. Pick one of these 9, maintain it, and keep your hard-earned dollars. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and comment below. Which of these 9 would you trust to take your family across the country? Make sure you don't buy for style. Buy for life. See you in the next one.